Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Raise a Crazy Beauty, chapter 27. So here it is. Let's read the story. Xiaorong receives a letter came from Baiman. It was Baiman came in earlier and now she leave it on the room. Baiman said to herself that she is so crazy. Well, definitely she is. And she was in trouble when someone spied her. Well, I think she really loves Xiaorong. That's why she's not afraid if someone's gonna see her. Who thought this week's lady is so beautiful? Yes, yes, this time, if I can. Oh, Princess Baiman. Now she was listening. The bachelor voice wants to pursue General Xiaorong. General Xiaorong, she was still on her chamber. And now, Princess Baiman, she really came in, right? Now, seeing her, General Xiaorong, she looks really surprised. Suddenly, seeing Princess Baiman coming forward to her. Well, General Xiaorong said, Baiman. She's calling Princess Baiman. Looking at her face, she looks really happy. Also, she looks really beautiful. And Princess Baiman, she was covering her face. But suddenly, when she got near to her, she was hesitating. Did she really don't want to continue? Offering General Sharon to escape on this. Looking at her, she seems to be agitated, also worrying. She was holding her hands. Well, the two of them seems to be feeling awkward when seeing each other. Why your face is so red? General Sharon is asking Princess Baiman. Well, probably Princess Baiman. She was really shy. She came in on the chamber of General Xiaorong. The untrained novel girl in Beijing really can't resist the incense that add ingredients. Well, right now, General Xiaorong grabbed her hands and she was holding it tightly. But Princess Baiman said to her, in a low voice, you see. Well, it seems that Princess Baiman, she looks really worried about General Xiaorong. But General Xiaorong, she read her letter. She said to herself, Princess Baiman's wording is really so rude and it's really straightforward. Reading all the letters of Princess Baiman, well, General Xiaorong seems to be blushing. Although she looked at it, and it seems that the spice is not lightly affected. Oh, it turns out Princess Baiman, she did not show any affection the incense that General Xiaorong's put in. Well, right now, this way, even if someone arranged it to make it convenient for her, it must be not easy. General Xiaorong said to herself, but looking at Princess Baiman, her face is really turning red. And now it makes sense. General Xiaorong moved her closer to her. Even your consciousness is sinking and not awake. You must insist on sending me this letter. Your child is. Princess Baiman is calling Xiaorong. White man. Well, the two of them are finally sitting. Do you know why are you doing everything possible to find me? Oh, it makes sense. Princess Baiman really wants to help her and also maybe she really falls for her but she don't want to admit it. But right now, it's okay if you can think of it now. General Xiaorong moved closer to her and kissed her on the lips. Well, for Princess Baiman, she is not restraining herself. She really accepted General Xiaorong's kiss. But I'm willing to take to you to explore. Yes, why do I care much about Xiaorong's happiness? Well, it seems that the two of them wants to play. But it really makes sense. The feeling is getting disregarded. But also, they might be hurt in the future. General Xiaorong thinks that Princess Baiman is so dizzy. She feels so hot. Well, she really feel it that she was so hot. Although, right now, the feelings is really unexplainable. Because of the incense, Madame Xiao, under Hu Yunwoo. He has studied the military poetry and prose of the Golden Iron Horses since childhood and dared to learn about Mr. Xiao. Well, the two of them got interrupted. It turns out there's someone's out of the door. Yes, it's a pity. I don't like poetry. Old mother is in the family, the most difficult to deal with it. The servant is telling General Xiaorong, but of course General Xiaorong is not interested to anyone. Except for Princess Paiman, she don't want to entertain them. It's difficult to deal with. Why do you think I'm afraid of a woman who doesn't know the house? Well, at this moment, Princess Paiman trying to learn her. But if you marry a wife, they will ask you to serve your mother-in-law. The women in the area in front of me are not enough to see. So, why are you so funny? General Xiaorong said to Princess Paiman. Oh, she really was smart. And right now, General Xiaorong is being tricky. Because of what? Xiaorong didn't seem to be afraid of anything. Any man can only vow his head with her. Well, Princess Paiman, she was really think. But right now, she's seeing General Xiaorong. This general is really a strong person. So, Paiman, tell me, General Xiaorong moved closer to Princess Paiman. Well, did you really fall in love with her? That's why she's so concerned about her. Why must you come to warn me? Because I can vary it. I can convert you to marry a ways and live same life as me. You want to be a female general and be in charge of the Shao family army. Oh, it really makes sense. Princess Baiman, she was really smart, but although she don't want to admit herself that she likes Xiaorong, free, not subject of the worthy guy, should not have any other thoughts. Princess Baiman said to her. She was really true to her world. General Xiaorong, Baiman, also because you love me. General Xiaorong finally asking her if she really loves her, but what will the princess gonna do? What is she going to answer? Well, until now, Princess Baiman suddenly realized it's because I love her. Until now, she don't want to express her feelings, that's why she really wants to hide it. I don't. How can I? Even though she was really faking herself, she must really love her, that's why she was always concerned. Well, the story is getting better. Also, for the two of them, and let's hope the two of them can really express the true feelings of the two of us. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!